student, in today's first video, we have completed the decarboxylation of metal salt of carboxylic acid method, their general reaction, examples and extra examples as well as MCQ we have already seen. Second method, that is by reduction of alkyl halide. In that, by using the zinc copper couple and alcohol, general reaction we have completed. Now let us take the example. So what is the general reaction? So this is the alkyl halide is reduced by using the zinc copper couple and alcohol, then it gives the alkane. Okay, so this is the first general reaction, right? Okay, so now let us take the example. Instead of this R, suppose I have taken the CH3, right? Okay, so instead of this X, iodine. Okay, so therefore this is the methyl iodide. What is the common name of this compound? Methyl iodide. What is the IUPAC name? Iodomethane. Okay, in the common name system, first write the name of the alkyl group and then put the word halide. Word is iodide. Here halide is iodide. The first word is, so methyl is there. Right, this is the common name rule. What is the IUPAC rule? So first write the name of the functional group. What is the name of the functional group? Iodo. Okay, chloro, bromo, fluoro. Right. Okay, so this is the iodo. Then how many carbon atoms are there? Only one carbon atom is there. So therefore this is called as methane. So hence name is iodomethane. Right. Okay. So then nascent hydrogen. Right. So this is the nascent hydrogen. Hydrogen in the form of atom, not in the form of molecule, is called as nascent hydrogen. Right. Okay. So in the presence of zinc, copper, couple plus alcohol, this is the reducing agent. So process is reduction. Right. Okay. So then these two hydrogen should be added here in between this methyl group and iodine, right? Okay, so therefore what you will have? You will have, so this is the methane and hydroiodic acid. So what is the product? Product is the methane, right? That is the marsh gas is obtained. Okay, so this is the first example. Now let us take the another example. How? See, another example, CH3 CH2Br. Right. Okay. So this is another example. So this is called as ethyl bromide. How the name is given? First write the name of alkyl group. What is the name of alkyl group? Ethyl. Then what is the alkyl halide? Bromide. So therefore name will be ethyl bromide. So this is the common name. IUPAC name, first write the name of functional group. Name of functional group bromo. How many carbon atoms are in the straight chain carbon? 2. Alkane will be ethane. So therefore bromoethane. When this bromoethane is reduced by using the nascent hydrogen, so this is the nascent hydrogen, hydrogen in the form of atoms, not in the form of molecule, it's called as nascent hydrogen, or newly born hydrogen is called as the nascent hydrogen. Right. Okay. So in the presence of zinc, copper couple plus alcohol, generally we take the ethyl alcohol. Alcohol as a ethyl alcohol generally we take. The process is reduction. Right. Okay. So what is the reduction? Addition of hydrogen. So these two nascent hydrogen is to be added. One hydrogen add to this ethyl group and another hydrogen is add to this bromine. So therefore ethyl group becomes ethane if the one hydrogen is added. Then one hydrogen is added to the bromine, forms hydrogen bromide. So what you will get? You will get the ethane. Hence we can prepare ethane from ethyl bromide. So in the theory exam, how the question will ask? How will you prepare ethane from ethyl bromide? Or how will you prepare ethane from bromoethane? So question will be asked like this. If the question is asked like this, so you have to answer like this. Okay. So first theoretically you have to write, when ethyl bromide is reduced with zinc copper couple and alcohol to form ethane. This is the theoretical writing, and after writing the theoretical way, then you write the reaction form. Okay. So this is the second preparation of ethane. Suppose I want to prepare the propane. Okay. How I can prepare the propane? See here. Okay. So this is the preparation of ethane. Now let us prepare the propane. Right. Okay. So how the propane is prepared? When the propyl chloride, okay, CH3 CH2 Cl. So this is the propyl chloride. In some book N is also given, that the N propyl chloride. Right. Okay. What is the IUPAC name? So in the IUPAC name, select the longest continuous chain of the carbon atom containing halogen atom. So halogen atom is chlorine here. So write the IUPAC name. How we can write the IUPAC name? Numbering should be starting from that carbon atom in which halogen atom is there. So therefore numbering should be started from this carbon. Why? Because halogen is attached to this carbon. So hence you have to start the numbering from this carbon, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So therefore, at which carbon halogen chlorine is present? At one carbon. So therefore you write 1. So then first write the name of functional group. Name of functional group, chloro. So therefore 1 chloro. How many carbon atoms are there? 3 carbon atoms are there. So you have to write the propane. So therefore name will be 1 chloropropane. So this 1 chloropropane is reduced by using zinc copper couple and alcohol. So zinc copper couple plus alcohol. Okay. Couple in the sense two metals is combined, zinc and copper. So therefore it is couple. Right. Okay. Then this is the nascent hydrogen. What is the process? We have to add the 2 hydrogen atom to this N-propyl chloride, right? So add 1 hydrogen to this alkyl group. So this alkyl group is propyl group. 1 hydrogen is add, another hydrogen add to this chlorine. So therefore what you will get? You will get CH3 CH2 CH3 plus HCl. Right. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? Name of this compound is propane. Hence we can prepare the propane from propyl chloride or 1 chloropropane. Okay. So therefore these are the preparation of methane, ethane, propane from this method. Right. Okay. So how we can solve the MCQ on the basis of this preparation? See, I will take the different examples, right? Okay. So suppose I have given like this: CH3 CH2 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 Cl. Suppose I have this compound N-butyl iodide, then CH3 CH3H CH2I. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 isobutyl iodide, right? Okay. Then CH3 CH3 CH3I. This is tertiary butyl iodide, right? Okay. So I can write the 3 structures. So now let us reduce these 3 compounds and what will be the product. Okay. So what is the theme of this reaction? Addition of hydrogen atom. Where hydrogen is added, 1 hydrogen add to this alkyl group, right? And another hydrogen is add to this iodine, right? Okay. So 1 hydrogen is added. What you will get? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, right? Okay. So this is the N-butane. Then 1 hydrogen is added, HI. So therefore these 2 decent hydrogen you have to add. right? Okay, then again this is the isobutyl iodide. This is called as isobutyl iodide. So this is the zinc, copper, couple and alcohol. So that will be there, no doubt. Okay. So this is the reducing process. What you will get? You will get the N-butane. Right. Okay. So then suppose this compound is there. What is the name of this compound? Name of this compound is isobutyl iodide. Why iso? Because second carbon atom has methyl group, so therefore it is iso. So therefore this whole compound is a isobutyl iodide, right? Okay. So then what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. So that is the 1 iodo 2 methyl propane. Okay. So then 1 iodo 2 methyl propane. Then again nascent hydrogen. 2 nascent hydrogen, you have to add zinc, copper, couple and alcohol, right? Okay, then 1 hydrogen add to this isobutyl group and another hydrogen add to this hydrogen iodine, so CH3, so this is the CH3, so this is the H and this is the CH3. That's all. Okay, so what you will have? You will have the HI. So what is the prepared compound name? So prepared compound name is isobutane, right? So this compound is isobutane. What is the IUPAC name? So IUPAC name, so already you know this name, 2-methyl propane, right? Okay, so these are the again another examples. Okay, so if you understood very well this preparation, we can solve the MCQ. Okay, so how the MCQ is solved. Okay, so these are the preparation of different alkanes, right? Okay, so now suppose question is like this: identify X in the following reaction. Suppose, see, identify MCQ first. Okay, identify X in the following reaction. Suppose question is like this. See, CH3, CH3, CH3Br. Okay, then what is there? So here it is written zinc copper couple plus alcohol, right? Zinc copper couple plus alcohol. You have to find the X. Question is like this: identify X in the following reaction. What is the reaction? So this is the reaction. Okay, so then solution. Okay, what is the solution? So we know, so again you write this CH3, so this is the CH3, this is the CH3, this is the bromine, right? Okay, so this group is the tertiary butyl group. To this tertiary butyl group, bromine is attached, so therefore this is called as tertiary butyl bromide, right? This is the tertiary butyl bromide, right? Common name, IUPAC name, select the longest continuous chain. So you can start the from numbering from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, the halogen atom get the second number. If you start the numbering from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, halogen atom get the second number, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. You can start numbering from any carbon atom from this end, halogen atom get the second number. So therefore you can choose any one of the chain. Okay, suppose I have chosen this chain 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay. So what there? So at the 2 carbon atom, bromine is there. So therefore write down 2 bromo. Okay. Then how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3 in the straight chain. So therefore 2 bromo propane. 2 bromo propane. Then what they have called zinc, copper, couple and alcohol is used. So that is the reducing method. So therefore reduction of this by using the nascent hydrogen. Right. Okay. So therefore zinc, copper couple and alcohol. So what process takes place here is the reduction, right? Okay, so therefore one hydrogen add to this tertiary butyl group, another hydrogen add to this bromine, what you will get? You will get CH3, 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 one hydrogen add to this isobutyl group, right? Okay, so plus, so that is the HBr. This is the HBr. So therefore this is called as isobutane, or again 2-methyl propane, right? Okay, so that is the product. So hence we can write the X. So therefore X is equal to, what is the answer? This isobutane. So therefore X is equal to CH3, CH3, CH3. Yes. Okay. So question may be asked like this, and you have to solve the question like this. Okay. So at the time of you are solving the NEET exam, it is not need to write detail. Okay. Directly you can solve these questions. How directly you can solve this question? Once you know this zinc, copper couple and alcohol is the reducing agent. So what we use? So nascent hydrogen we use. So 2 hydrogen is added, 1 hydrogen to this tertiary butyl group, another hydrogen is to this bromine. So you will get the answer isobutane. Okay. So for practice, first of all you have to solve like this. Okay. So this is the first question. Okay. So now the second question. So what is the second question? Suppose same method of asking the question, that is identify X in the following reaction. I am going to change only here. Okay, what I am going to change here? So that is the CH3, CH3H, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, so this is the bromine. So question is like this. Okay, so this is the second. What you have asked? Identify X in the following reaction. Okay, so this is the reaction. So how to solve? So solution of this. So solution, right? Okay, what is the solution? So the CH3 is as it is. So this is the CH3, this is the bromine, this is the CH2, CH3. So we know very well that when the zinc copper couple and alcohol is used, that is the reducing agent, hence nascent hydrogen must be used. Okay, so nascent hydrogen is used. Okay, so what is the reagent? Zinc copper couple plus alcohol. What is the process? Process is the reduction, right? Okay, so therefore add 1 hydrogen to this alkyl group. What is the name of this alkyl group? Tertiary pentyl. What is the hydrogen? What is the halogen? Bromine. 1 hydrogen add to this bromine. So what you will get? You will get the HBr. So compound is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the H. Okay, so therefore what we have prepared here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. So therefore this is called as isopentane. Okay, what is the IUPAC name? So IUPAC name, start the numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot start the numbering from here, because if you start the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, so alkyl group get the third number. From this alkyl group get the second number. So numbering should start in such a way that alkyl group should get the least possible number. So hence we have to start the numbering from here. So at 2 carbon atom, methyl group is there. So therefore 2-methyl butane. Right? Okay. So what is the X? So X is this isobutane, that is the 2-methyl butane, right? CH2, CH3. So this is the X. Okay. So question is like this. Okay. Now another type of question. Okay. So this is the first way to ask the question in the NEET as well as JEE main exam or MSTCET exam. So now suppose question is asked like this: which of the following process, second, which of the following process takes place in the preparation of alkane by using zinc copper couple and alcohol. Suppose question is like this, right? Okay. So which of the following process takes place in the preparation of alkane by using the zinc copper couple and alcohol? What are the multiple options? Multiple options are decarboxylation, A, B, oxidation, C, reduction, D, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water molecule or addition of NaOH or KOH. Okay, so therefore question is like this: which of the following process takes place in the preparation of alkane by using the zinc copper couple and alcohol? Right. Okay, so these are the 4 multiple options. So see, if we use the zinc copper couple and alcohol for the preparation of alkane, what process takes place? That is the reduction. Right. Okay, so question may be asked like this. Okay, so this is the another way to write the examples. Okay, so now another question: what will be the product produced? Predict the product. So third type, suppose predict the following product. Predict the following product. Right. Okay, predict the following product. So now suppose question is like this: 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the iodine, right? Okay, so then this is the bond line formula. So that is zinc copper couple plus alcohol. Right. Okay, so then this is the, you have to P, product. Okay, predict the product from following reaction. Predict the product from following reaction. Okay, so this is the question: predict the product from the following reaction. So this is the reaction, right? Okay, if the question is asked like this, then how to solve the question? So first of all, this is the bond line formula. So 1 2 3 4 5 junctions are carbon atoms. So this is the end of the carbon atom. So therefore how many carbon atoms are there? 5. Okay, so I am going to solve these questions. Okay, so this is the CH3, end of the carbon. This is the carbon, iodine is there, so hydrogen is hidden. Then this is the CH2, this is the CH2, right? Okay, and last this is the CH3. Okay, so this is called as secondary pentyl iodide, right? Why? Because this group is the secondary pentyl group. This group is called as secondary pentyl group. What I have attached? Iodine. So it becomes secondary pentyl iodide. Then IUPAC name. Select the longest continuous chain of the carbon atom in which halogen atom should get the least possible number. If we start the numbering from this carbon, halogen get the 4 number. If we start the numbering from this carbon atom, halogen get the second number. So therefore this is the selected chain. So you have to select this chain. So at the second carbon atom, iodine is there, 2 iodo. Then how many carbon atoms are there? 5. 2 iodopentane is the IUPAC name. Right. Okay, so secondary pentyl iodide or 2-iodopentane. So if you are going to use the zinc copper couple and alcohol, so what is the reducing agent? Nascent hydrogen is the reducing agent. Zinc copper couple and alcohol. Zinc copper couple and alcohol. Then what is the process? Reduction is the process. So what process is exactly happen here. 2 hydrogen atom is added, 1 hydrogen to the secondary pentyl group and 1 hydrogen to this iodine. So hence what you will get? You will get CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, right? So the CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, 1 hydrogen is there, 1 hydrogen added, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus HI. This is the N-pentane. So this P is equal to, so P is equal to CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, so this is the product, right? Okay, question may be asked like this. So have you understood? Okay, so this is the second method. So now the third method of preparation. Okay, so these are the MCQs. So you have to solve the MCQ from the book that we have displayed on your app. So therefore you go through all the questions, and if you are getting any doubt, so my mobile number you have, so you can ask to me also by mobile, right? Okay, so this is the second method. So student, one thing is very clear. So this organic part reaction can be easily understood if you first read and write. Okay, reading and writing is very necessary. Only by reading you cannot write the chemical reactions. Okay, because up to the 10th class you could not written these reactions. You might have studied these reactions, some reactions, but you had not written these reactions in the 10th class. But in the 11th class and 12th class, in the organic chemistry, you have to write the reactions. Okay, so reactions are very volatile. By only seeing the reactions or by only reading the reaction, you cannot understood the reaction. You can understood the reaction unless and until you are not writing the reaction properly. First you read and then you write the reaction very carefully, then and then you can understand. Otherwise what will happen? So organic chemistry part and organic reactions are volatile reactions, so that reaction cannot be stay in your mind for a long time, because these reactions can be the different chemical process can be done in the laboratory, and you have no practical culture in our education system, so that is only theoretical culture is there. So how you can understood these reactions? So you have to read the reaction and you have to write each and every reaction, you have to write, then and then you can understood these reactions, otherwise you cannot understood the reaction. Okay, so this is the way how to study the organic chemistry, because in the organic chemistry theoretical part is very less, but organic reactions are billions of organic reactions are there. So this is the first topic. You have to see the many topics in the organic chemistry, and there are billions, millions of chemical reactions are there. So how to understood these reactions? So what is the way? First you read and write the every reaction. Okay, so therefore for practice for organic chemistry, practice is very necessary, right? Okay. So third preparation, so by using the Woods reaction. Okay, so third preparation, that is the Woods reaction. So this Woods reaction we will see in the next video.